Alright guys, so we out here at Estancia and we brought out the sledge. We're gonna do some more testing. Electronics, Max 8 G2 system, a perfect pass monster servo, running 6S. I am gonna be testing out this new switch too. And also, I made a new bracket. It's just black, but you can't really see it right now. And also added this aluminum diff case because on my last run, the whole diff case exploded. Great, just this spark. Success. Check out this perfect crash. I'm pretty sure this servo is on 7.4. It could do 8.4. Absolutely crazy. Look at that. Alrighty guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give a like, subscribe. It was doing good, but you know, that bad rear end crashed ended it all. So if you guys liked it, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.